Welcome, friends. Today I am going to explain in detail the fish sign, which is a traditional Hindu palmistry sign on the palms. This sign actually denotes prosperity to the individual, but let us understand the fish sign in terms of what benefits or what effects it has based on its position in the palm. But remember one thing, the fish sign is necessarily not going to give you all the benefits that it is mentioned in the olden text. The reason being, we have to look at other palm signs and lines and strengths of the mounts and other aspects of the hand before we come to a conclusion. What I'm trying to explain here is just the general predictions or effects of fish sign when it is found on anyone's hand. Now, if you look at the right hand side, I have drawn three images or pictures of fish. These are the three variants of fish. Now, important thing to note here is that the fish must have a tail, or it could also show fins, but it must have a tail and a pointed mouth. At least these two are important. Now, many people think that the fish might look something like the one I have shown in the box. That is not true. That is something totally different from a fish. Now, let us look at what the fish sign indicates when it is found on the following positions. Now, I have indicated or I have marked numbers here. You can see mark number 1. The number 1 shows Jupiter mount, number 2 Saturn, number 3 Sun, number 4 Mercury, and so on. So if you look at the Jupiter mount, which is number 1, the fish sign actually can make this person religious. He can also reach a very high spiritual level if the fish sign points towards the finger. That means the mouth points towards the finger. Now, this sign does not give benefit until and unless the person has struggled a lot. Here, I want to also indicate that the fish sign here generally gives effect from 16 years to 28 years. So, that means if there is a sign found on this mount, its period when it gives its actual effects would be from 16 to 28. Remember that if there are other bad signs, or if the fate line or lifeline or headline has defects, then this period of 16 to 28 may not be very fruitful even though the fish sign exists. Now, coming to the second one, which is the Saturn mount. On the Saturn mount, generally this fish sign indicates deep interest in research or knowing the unknown. The person could be a loner as well or introvert. Now, again, depending on the way the Saturn mount is, if the Saturn mount is kind of you can say a little bit protruded, then the person will certainly be an introvert, there is no doubt. But if the Saturn mount is flat, then the person is really hardworking. And this fish sign, if it is looking towards the finger or directed in between the Saturn fingers and Jupiter fingers, this fish sign can give success after a lot of hard work. Of course, it will make you work a lot, but success is guaranteed in that case if such a fish sign exists. Now, the activation period for such a fish sign is after 36 years. So the success that a person can get because of this fish sign could be only after 36, and it can range from 36 to 48. Then coming to the sun mount, which is 3.